Hi, this is Yang Park. So people call me Yang, Dr. Park, Mr. Park. So either is fine. You can call me, like I said, you can call me Yang. There's no problem. So what we have is information systems for management. So for the next 16 weeks, we're going to spend a good amount of time talk about information systems. Of course, we're going to do a lot of hands-on as well. So we're gonna, at this time, we're gonna spend a few minutes talk about what exactly what we're gonna do. Okay. And in terms of communication, we have GoView email, internal email. So appreciate if you use that email for our class-related questions or whatever you have, rather than GSW email. And I have my online office hours 9 to 10 p.m. on Mondays. Okay, so I'll be looking forward to hearing you from you guys. Of course, reading syllabus is very important, so make sure to read all the details. And we have textbook. I'll talk about textbook in just a minute, but any textbook these days may contain some out-of-date material. So that's what we're gonna focus on sometimes, trying to make up those out-of-date materials, other supplemental materials, because it's not, we can learn from other things rather than textbook. There are a lot of stuff um, that are up to date so that we can move on to our learning modules more effectively. And another important thing, you must have a functioning webcam. The webcam must work in order, okay? And also microphone will be nice to have because we're going to have a ProctorU exam. So to take the exam, you need to have those two devices. Otherwise, they will not uh, they will not permit to take the tests. And other requirements, we need to have a Microsoft Office, at least Office 2016 versions. We have Office 365 version is available on campus to download, of course. So you can take advantage of that. Let me show you what we have on the Go view. So this is how our Go view look like. Especially this announcement section is very important because we're going to have some updated announcement as well as tutorials, video tutorials. So make sure check this announcement often. We have syllabus, content. If you click content, you'll have those modules organized by modules, module 1, 2, 3, and all the way. And it's not actually a match with chapter numbers. So we're going to jump from one chapter to another. It's not in order, but it could be chapter 1 and we go back to chapter 7 and come back. So to make sure you follow those chapter numbers closely. And you can go to assessment, check the assignments, you can see your grades, quizzes, communications, carries, discussions, email, those things. And ProctorU, you can go to ProctorU by using this link there. Another important thing, we have tutoring services available, as you can see. which is tutor.com. And I believe for our course, we can take advantage of Excel help, Excel exercises. So you can check it out with tutor.com in case you need some help for Excel. Excuse me. So that's how our goal view look like. And also make sure you read those sections on ProctorU. It's very important information. And also if you need ProctorU assistant while you're taking the test, for example, or other important information regarding ProctorU, you can contact Lisa Hensley. She's our representative from College of Business and Computing. So this, she can directly talk to ProctorU people. In terms of grading components, we have two tests and final. Those are all ProctorU tests. As you can see, those dates are already given. And in terms of the last appointment time for the ProctorU test for that particular date is 9:50. So you cannot take after 9:50 p.m. for that particular tests. Okay. Weekly assignment, project, we have a topic presentation and hands-on exercises, including Excel, other Google Cloud applications, internet-related database, and so forth. And we have some discussions using discussion board and short quizzes as well. In terms of late policies, I know we all have busy schedules. Sometimes you have to have some late time. You have to have some sort of grace time. So that's why we have it here in terms of assignment, late assignment. So you have 3 makeup days, sort of grace time for yourself, and 1 makeup day extend the deadline by 24 hours. So, for example, you can hand in 1 assignment 3 days late, or each of those 3 assignments 1 day late. There's no questions asked for those 3 days. However, late work hand in when you run out of those 3 makeup days and discounted penalty for 10% per day. Okay, and also late submission after 3 days will not be accepted. Okay, also no late submission will be accepted for last assignment, the very last assignment of the semester, because of the timing issues, because we have to do grading and all that. And for quizzes exam, again, there's some urgent issues, emergencies. For those things happen, makeup can be given, but you must provide documentation. Okay, official documentation. But there's no late discussions will be accepted. So we talk about tutor.com so that you can take advantage of some free tutoring and accessibility services if you're qualified and need some accommodations for disabilities. Contact disability services. There's a phone number and email. Okay. And academic integrity, that's another important issue. And I'll assign a grade of 0 for the first assignment or a work submitted for the first offense in accordance with university policy and it happens again, then the student will receive F in this course. In the meantime, we're going to use Turnitin service. I'm sure you know Turnitin.com, which is what they call plagiarism prevention detection system. So that's what we're going to use so that there will be any kind of mistakes you guys make. For example, copying, paste somebody else's work um, without citations and references, then this Turnitin will catch it. So the most important thing is just ask me. Let me know if you have any questions, especially those assignment questions or other hands-on exercises before you spending time, long time by yourself. So looking forward to working with you. Talk to you soon.